took so much, but Samaritan's crew has that healing touch. With hammers in hand, chainsaws in tow, they clear the wreckage, help new life grow. Hands of hope in the heart of the storm, volunteers in orange, keeping families warm. Rebuilding homes, lifting spirits high. Samaritan's purse, never asking why. Tarps on roofs, patching up the leaks. Waterlogged homes, working for weeks. They tear out drywall, clear the mold. Every broken story waiting to be told. Hands of hope in the heart of the storm, volunteers in orange, keeping families warm. Rebuilding homes, lifting spirits high. Samaritan's purse, never asking why. Chainsaws hum, trees fall away, debris is clear, giving light to the day. They fix what's broken, but it's more than repair. With every nail, they show they care. They clean out houses flooded with pain, remove what's ruined, start over again. Lending their strength, bringing back smiles, restoring what's lost, mile after mile. Hands of hope in the heart of the storm, volunteers in orange, keeping families warm. Rebuilding homes, lifting spirits high. Samaritan's purse, never asking why. From Florida to Georgia, Carolina's hills, they rebuild homes, but more so they heal. In every home they touch, they leave a light. Samaritan's purse, making things right.